Welcome to another episode of the Alpha Club Spotlight Series. This is your boy People's Market, and I'm sitting down today with my brother Old Man Still Can as we deep dive into everything that Ducat has been pioneering here in Web3, and we couldn't be beyond bullish. How you doing today, my brother Old Man?
Great mood today. I'm excited to learn more about this product and how it can help us, us old guys earn some money or learn more. I mean, we're in such a great time to be alive. So much to learn, so many cool things. And anyway, I don't want to hold people off. I'm just ready to jump in and learn more.
Let's get to that alpha. Now, without further ado, it is our absolute honor and pleasure to introduce Dante from Ducat. How you doing today, fam?
Fantastic. Couldn't ask for a better day. Today was a beautiful sunny day. Now I'm getting to spend some time talking about Ducat. So sunny days plus talking about Ducat, I don't know what really gets better than that.